Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up email tracking in Gmail with HubSpot Sales Extension, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up email tracking in Gmail with the HubSpot Sales Extension, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type HubSpot Sales. Locate the HubSpot Sales Extension in the search results. Click on the extension to view its details. Press that Add to Chrome button. Confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension. Wait for the extension to download and install. Once installed, an icon will appear in your Chrome toolbar. Click on the HubSpot icon to begin the setup process. If prompted, log in with your HubSpot account credentials. If you do not have an account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. After logging in, return to your Gmail account. In Gmail, open the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Select See All Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, navigate to the General tab. Scroll down until you find the HubSpot Sales options. Enable email tracking by selecting the checkbox next to Track Email Opens. Click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Now, go to your inbox and compose a new email. Look for the tracking options available in the Email Composer. Ensure the Track Email Opens option is selected before sending. Once sent, you will receive notifications when the recipient opens your email. To view detailed insights, visit your HubSpot dashboard. Here, you can track email activity and analyze engagement. That's it. You've successfully set up email tracking in Gmail using the HubSpot Sales Extension. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.